What you doing?
Well, I was gonna go out tonight, FaceTime it with a new beau, but he didn't call me, so we're home making popcorn. So we're gonna take a sandwich size lunch bag and a quarter cup of popcorn. We are using Mills Yellow Organic. And a quarter of a cup is basically like a fistful. Okay, so that's a quarter of a cup. I always like to make more, so I'm gonna put a pinch more. The popcorn in there. Fold your bag just a little bit, and fold it a little bit again, and fold it a little bit again. Crease it really hard. Note there's no oil or salt in here, and we're gonna pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes. But stand by the make sure you stand by the microwave while it's popping, because it's done when you don't hear any more pops. And if you're not there and you put too much time on it, or your microwave is stronger than my microwave, then it technically could catch on fire. It'll definitely burn. So here we go. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Would you like to, are you gonna film this for 2 minutes while we're popping popcorn? So here we are, standing next to the microwave, listening at the pop. We have 34 seconds left, so we're just going, still popping pretty good, because when you love popcorn, you want all your kernels to pop. So we'll quit popping.
I don't hear the word popping.
So I'm gonna stop. So here we go. Oh, I could have put 2 fistfuls in here. So this, look at the lovely popcorn. Healthy, no salt, no oil. But you're more than welcome to melt some butter and douse that stuff with butter and salt. Enjoy the movie.